The YIHUA 939D Soldering Station stands out with its precision heat control, allowing temperature adjustments from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. With a robust 75-watt equivalent power and a high-precision PID program, it ensures quick heating and temperature stability, making it reliable for extended daily use, even in industrial settings. Its metallic construction, featuring a brushed aluminum front panel and a solid metal alloy standalone iron stand, guarantees durability and prevents accidental burn marks. This soldering station includes a suite of intelligent features such as a clear digital display, automatic handle detection, and smart temperature control, all designed for an effortless user experience. The YIHUA 939D Plus is celebrated for its intuitive design, allowing users to effortlessly switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius with a simple button push and precise temperature adjustments via a knob. Backed by a 12-month U.S.-exclusive technical coverage and 24/7 professional assistance, this model offers peace of mind and confidence in choosing YIHUA.